Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how you can add movies to Watchlist on Filmzie application. So let's dive into the video without wasting much of our time. Open your Filmzie application from your preferred device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, once you are logged into your Filmzie account, from the main homepage, scroll through the list of movies or TV shows you'd like to watch later and add them on your watch list. Once you find the movie you'd like to add, simply tap on it and this will then open up the movie's details and trailer page. Here you can also watch the movie by tapping on the play button. To add the movie on your watch list, tap on the little heart icon right next to the play button and you will be able to add the movie to your watch list. Now that is how you can easily add a movie or a show to your watch list on Filmzie. To get to your watch list, tap on the human icon at the bottom right hand corner and tap on watch list, which will then help you see the list that you've previously added. So that was how you can easily add a movie or a TV show on your watch list on your Filmzie application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.